It's Michael from newtohtml.com, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about links and images in HTML. I'll be using my favorite Notepad++ for this tutorial, but as always you can use Notepad. So I'll first start by defining the standard HTML tags. And supplying a title for the web page. And then creating the first link between the opening and closing body tag. Now to create a link in HTML, we place the text we want to provide as a link between the opening and closing anchor tag. So I'll save this as tutorial.html. Remember your .html extension when creating web pages, and also change the save as type to all types if you're using Notepad++, or all files if you're using Notepad. Alternatively, you could have selected the hypertext markup language file, which already defines the .html extension. When the web page is opened in the web browser, you'll know that the text placed between the anchor tags is displayed. Of course, it's not a link as yet. If you click, there's no result. So we have to specify an href attribute for it to be truly a link and for it to go somewhere, for it to have a destination. The href attribute provides a destination for the link. Here I've said that I want this link, when clicked, to go to the website newtohtml.com. It's important that when you're specifying destination of a link, the href attribute of a link, you specify the exact address, web address, as in this case, including the HTTP. Let's hit save. Refreshing the web browser, and you'll notice it's now a link. If you click, it should go to the website newtohtml.com. So you can change this to any web address at all. You can change it to Google, anything you want. Of course, you can also provide a link from one web page to another, such as from page 1.html to page 2.html, and I'll show you that right now. So I went ahead and created a folder with two web pages, page 1.html and page 2.html, and I'll be providing a link from page 1 to page 2. So I'll go ahead and open this in Notepad++, and here is the link to page 2.html. It's as simple as putting the name of the web page and the extension of that web page, in this case page 2.html. I'll open page 1 in the web browser, and it says you are currently on page 1. Click the link below to go to page 2. And here it is. This is page 2. This is of course when both web pages are located in the same folder. Now if you want to link to a web page that is located in another folder, you have to put the name of that folder before the web page. So I will be linking to page 3, which is in the file folder, from page 2, which is in the tutorial folder. I'll open page 2 in Notepad++, and here you will see the href value has changed. It is now file, which is the name of the folder, / and page3.html. So this will provide a link to page 3, and if we go to page 2 and click the link, we should go to page 3. and here it is. So that covers the basics of links, linking from one web page to another, as well as linking to a website. You can also create links from one location on a web page to another location on the same web page, as well as create links for email. But you can check out the tutorial on links on the website to find out how to do just that. Now I'll take a quick look at images in HTML. I went ahead and placed an image in the tutorial folder as well as the tutorial web page. To create an image in HTML, we use the img tag. You have to also use the source attribute, which gives the location of the image and the name of that image. An example would be just like that. We have the name of the image and the extension of the image. The image is located in the same folder as the tutorial web page, which will be using this image. So if I save, go to the browser window, you'll note the image is there. Now if the image was located in another folder, let's create that folder, and we call this folder flower, and we place the image in that folder. The source now becomes flower/image.jpg. F5, and the image is still there. Another attribute of the image tag is the alt attribute. The alt attribute stands for alternate text and displays this text if the image cannot be displayed. You can also use images as links. And here I've provided a link to the website newtohtml.com. So when the image is clicked, the website will be retrieved. I'll save this, go to the browser and refresh, and when clicked, the website is retrieved. So that covers an introduction to links and images. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and also to check out the website at newtohtml.com.